So now I've mixed in the turbinado cane sugar, the dates, the walnuts, the cloves, the pumpkin pie spice, and it's come along really well. We will then pour it onto here and then roll it because it'll be like cinnamon rolls. Now we've rolled it and sliced it. The dough was kind of soft, so it kind of stuck to the knife. And we'll pop this bad boy in the oven. Alright, mashallah, the roll has come out nicely. It's a whole wheat one, and I'm very excited to see how it tastes. So it's basically a roll stuffed with dates and walnuts, mashallah. Alright, so we're getting a close-up look now. Very tender, I would say. Smells great. Excellent with coffee. Nice date roll. Nice crust, but soft on the inside and smells just wonderful while it's cooking. I'll put the recipe in the description box. Maybe.